Hey folks, Matt Strickland, Modern Realty Guam here, rocking our new hats from our sister company in Midland, Michigan, Modern Realty Michigan. So thank you for that. We're here at 128 Kindo Street. New listing we just put up this weekend. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,500 square feet, single car garage, fenced all the way around. You see me walking through the yard right now. It's taking me a while. Why? It's a big yard. Look at this. This is the back. Got some shed for your tools, kids play stuff, whatever you got. Nice and private. Little fire pit. Man, this is a nice place. It's gonna go quick, folks. We got listed at $2,500. Bring your offer, show it quick. Gonna give you a tour of the inside real fast. It's located in the village of Santa Rita, right off Cross Island. Not far from me, actually, so you can come over and say hi. Just came through the front door, give you a little view. So we got nice big living room, open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, island, separate dining room. Whew. It's nice. Split floor plan, laundry in the unit. Bam, keep those clothes clean. You got your half bath off the main living space for your guests. There's our garage. It's just a garage. I got some stuff in there tidying up, so I won't show it to you, but big master bath. Woo! Look at that. Love it. Big vanity. Lots of storage. Walk-in closet. So moms, ladies, plenty of room. We'll find somewhere to put the guys' stuff. Don't even worry about that. Ceiling fans in the bedroom, great, love it. Ceiling fans in the main space, great, love it. And appropriate sized ACs. They didn't skimp, I love that. Walk into our bedrooms. So we got ceiling fan, our 9K, nice closet with some inserts. The main bath, plenty of room for the kiddies. And bedroom number 3. So, thanks for coming out. Not gonna last long. Look it up, modernrealtyguam.com, 128 Kindo Street, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, fenced yard, right off Cross Island. We are 5 minutes to the front gate. We're 3 minutes to the mini next at Opera. Call me up, get your offers in. See you soon. Love you.